welcome to my farm. I want to show you the perfect chicken tractor. I've tried different styles of chicken tractors. I've tried Coops, different kinds of Coops, and I always hated the mess of the Coop. I hate cleaning the Coop. I hate how nasty they get. But the chicken tractors were always too heavy. They're always really inconvenient to move, too heavy for one person. So this year I bought an omelet, which I'm not super thrilled with. I have to be honest, I'm not. And because it's not as easy to move as what I'd hoped. But I found some plans on Etsy, and I talked my dad into making some chicken tractors that have worked out perfectly, and they are like the best. They're my favorite chicken tractor ever, and they are perfect for my Silkie chickens. And they would be perfect for any Bantam that's good with being in confinement, because you know some chickens don't like being confined. They do better as a free range bird. Silkies definitely don't mind being confined, and they do fantastic in a chicken tractor. The chicken tractor eliminates me having to clean out a coop, but it also adds the element of I can put these tractors anywhere I want. They're going to get clean ground every day, but they're also going to fertilize the ground that I'm putting them on. So they're really good to move through something that is going to be a garden. Right now I want to show you the most perfect chicken tractor I've ever had. My dad has built me 3 different kinds of chicken tractors off of that one set of plans. Now, these are the original plans. It has a door up here, and you know, a little area to lay eggs in and such. This is a loft style. It's got the wheels on it, easy handles. Underneath, nice amount of room. But you can see the ladder for the loft. Goes up into the loft area. And he put a roost up there, but you know, a lot of times silkies don't really roost. They just kind of make a silky puddle, as us silky raisers like to call it. So this was the first one he built, and it locks down on both sides, and I really like it. So the problem I had with the original plans was from just this little door, it's kind of hard to clean. So I didn't really like that. So the next chicken tractor he modified. This is the chicken tractor that my dad modified pretty heavily from the original plans. My mom always makes these cute signs for my chicken tractors. The door in the back of it also, if I want to use it, but honestly I don't need it. This opens from the top, which makes it so much easier for me to have access to the chickens. And he put this removable tray, so it is super easy to clean. So honestly, this is the most perfect chicken tractor I think ever in the world. So that's the modifications he came up with based on the issues I had with the original chicken tractor plans. If you wanted something bigger, like you wanted it more for regular chickens, or you wanted it to hold more Bantams, which this will hold quite a few Silkies, it could be made longer. You just don't want to make it so long that it's hard for you to move it, because the whole idea behind the chicken tractor is that it's mobile and it can be moved. So anyway, for me, and all my years of raising chickens and trying to figure out how can I raise chickens in a way that doesn't drive me crazy and create way too many chores and way too much work for me, this is it. This is the solution. We'll put the link to the original plan that was in Etsy. Just keep in mind modifications were made to get it to be as user-friendly as I needed it to be. Hope this is really helpful if you're looking for that perfect solution for your Silkie chickens or your Bantams in general.